Hello there kids! Welcome to our new video. For this video, we're going to have a lesson in English 3, Quarter 3, Week 5. So we are now in Week 5. This is a milk and pivot based. So for today's video, our topic will be read words with long vowels A, E, I, O, and U sounds. So we're going to discuss that after this short intro. So good day once again. At the end of this lesson, the learners are expected to read words with long A, E, I, O, and U sounds. In reading, it is not just important that you know how to read, but it's very important that you understand what you read. In the previous quarter, you learned the words with CVC pattern. So in this quarter, you will study the long vowel sounds. When we say long vowel sounds, those refer to the pronunciation of vowel sounds which is the same as the letter names as in A, E, I, O, and U. Long vowel sounds refer to the vowels which are pronounced the same as their names. So, letter A, we will read letter A, the vowel A, as A. The vowel E as E. And then I, O, and U. So, here are the examples for long A sound. Let us take a look. So I have here some pictures. What is this? This is a lake. So the vowel A there is read as A. So lake. So if we join them together, it will become lake. Okay. Another one is the word bake. So the vowel A there is pronounced as A. So bake. So if we will join them together, it will become bake. These are the examples for long E. The word me. So E there is pronounced as E. So m and E, it will become me. Another example is the word we. So the letter E there, the vowel E, is pronounced as E. So w and then E, it will become we. Another examples will be the words he and she. So the vowels E there will be read as E. So he and she. We will not read it as he or she. Now take a look at these examples for long I. So for long I, what are these pictures? These are pilot. Okay. These are pictures of pilot. I there is read as I. So, I-lot. It will become pilot. And then the next is the word tiny. The I there, the vowel I, will be read as I. So, it will become tiny. Next, we have the long O. So, O there will be pronounced as O. So, this picture is a rope. So, we will not read it as rope. It's a rope. So, O there will become O, rope. Another one is the word home. It will not be read as home. Instead, it will be read as home. And then the long U. We have glue and the word cute. There you are. So these are some of the examples of the long vowel sounds. So here are some examples of words for thorough understanding. So we have the long A, these are the new set of examples. We have cake, rake. Can you read it for me? The third one, fourth one, and then the fifth one. Okay, very good. So we have also the long E sound. Can you read it for me? Go. And the long I sound. Very good. Now, let us take a look. What do we mean by those words? So, let us accompany them with some pictures for better understanding. So, we have the word cake. So, everybody knows what a cake is, right? So, cake is what? Is a word with a long A sound. The same as rake, mate, rate, and the word fade. It's very important that you know what do we mean with these words. What do we mean of these words? There. So that is fade. Another one, we have the long E sound. So we have B, C, this, and them. So when we say be, in Tagalog and Filipino, maging. So when we say be happy, maging masaya. So this illustration is C. Okay, and the third picture shows a B with a double E. B, E, E. In Filipino, ano to? Bubuyog. Very good. So take a look at the examples, the next set of examples for long I. So can you identify what these pictures are? So we have the first one, we have what is that? Okay, that's a bike. How about this one? Okay, that is a tile. Very good. And the next one is a pie. That's correct. So all of those examples have long I sound. How about this one? Oh, we have the road, the past tense for the word ride. We have the word hope. We have bone, clone. When we say clone, to duplicate or to make a replica. And the word closed. So close is the opposite of the word open. It is shut. Okay, so here are some of the examples for the long U sound. So we have unite. In Filipino, magkaisa. Okay, we have the blue, the true, the nude, and the mute. When we say mute, there's no sound. So always remember, children, that long vowel sound refers to the pronunciation of vowels, which is the same as their letter names. There. So we will not read that as a, e, i, o, u because that is in Filipino. Here, in long vowel sounds, we are going to pronounce it as the sound of their letter names. So for more examples, here are, we have the gate, the faith, sake, fame. For the long E, we have the fee, free, knee, see, For the long I, we have the bite, the kite, life, knife, and nine. How about you? Can you read it for me? For the long O sound. Okay, read it. Very good. How about for the long U sound? Can you do it for me? Very good. So now that you have a lot of words there with long vowel sounds, now it's your task now to look for the meaning of those words, huh? Be familiarized also with the spelling and then put it in your memory bank. So now, are you ready for an activity? Okay, let's have an activity. For activity number 1, this is the learning task 1. This is a module based. So you may use your module or you may pause this video for you to manage your time. Okay, so match the pictures with their appropriate names. Write the letters of your answer in your notebook. Okay, you may write it on your notebook or on a paper, on a piece of paper. Okay, number 1. Look at the picture. What is it? Is it A, a plan, B, a plate, C, a pan, or D, a palm? Next, we have number 2. Okay, what is in the picture? Is it A, V, B, tree, C, 3, or D, there? For number 3, look at the picture. What does it show? Is it A, hind, B, hide, C, hinder, or D, high? How about number 4? What does it show us? Is it A, a note, B, a knot, C, nothing, or D, not? And for the last item for this exercises, what is that? Is it A, a dun, a gun, B, a duke, C, a duke, or D, a dune? Okay, let's check your answers. We're going to check your answers later. Okay, for an activity 2, so this is a learning task 3. You're going to read a poem, then identify the long vowel sound, whether if it is an A, E, I, O, or U sound in each underlined word. So there are underlined words there. Kindly identify whether if it is a long vowel A, long vowel E, long vowel I, O, or U sound. And then for the learning task 4, read the statements below, then you're going to identify also the long vowel sound, whether if it is an A, E, I, O, or U in each underlined word. So you're going to identify there. And for the last activity, we have the learning task 2. So read the words below, then also identify the long vowel sound. You may pause this video, as I've said earlier, for you to manage your time, for you to answer the following exercises. And this is also a module based. Okay, so there you have it. Very good, kids. I hope you have understood the lesson for this video. And until the next video, until the next lesson, bye-bye. If you find this video helpful, please click the subscribe button, please like, share, and then comment down below. Thank you so much!